Yeah, this song is dedicated to all the homies out there that need to slow down. Everybody got somebody they need to tell to slow down sometimes. Moving too fast. You're gonna crash, you know? Remember homie Scrap? Yeah, he long gone. Got killed over nothing, homie, roll on. The homie Chris, I found out he died too. Got shot or something, it's a crime, fool. Another good dude, buried in the grave. Another closed casket, another wake. Another day of stress in my life. Another chapter closed, another story told. As it unfold, remember homie Wade Dog. We used to smoke puddles till the day fall. Now that I think about it, it wasn't worth it. He's stuck in the system, ain't nothing perfect. So I see you when you get out, homie. I'll be out here doing it, out here ruining it. Out here and I'm pushing the line, you just go ahead and do it. Finish your time. Slow down, homie, you're moving too fast. Slow down, homie, you're about to crash. Slow down, homie, you're doing too much. Slow down, homie, enough's enough. Slow down, homie, you're moving too fast. Slow down, homie, you're about to crash. Slow down, homie, you're doing too much. Slow down, homie, enough's enough. I'm pretty sick of this shit, and I know why. Nothing's going my way, so fuck life. Every day seems hard, so I love nights, cause I get to sleep and say goodbye to this crazy world that I'm trapped in. I don't trust nobody, got no friends. Had to cover my tracks in the loose ends. And all these crazy bitches, they a nuisance. I try to focus on myself and nothing else. On my health and trying to raise my damn wealth. Cause the streets are cold and ain't no help. And when you do die, all they say is so well. Guess another one bit the dust too. It's a sad story, just a young dude got killed for nothing, that's what guns do. Dedicated to the drugs and thugs too. Slow down, homie, you're moving too fast. Slow down, homie, you're about to crash. Slow down, homie, you're doing too much. Slow down, homie, enough's enough. Slow down, homie, you're moving too fast. Slow down, homie, you're about to crash. Slow down, homie, you're doing too much. Slow down, homie, enough's enough. Take me away and take me somewhere good, please. Cause I'm trapped in hell and I can't breathe. I can't see and I'm filled with anxieties. All these busters keep trying me. I don't look for trouble, but it finds me. And I tried to change, but I'm grimy. And I'm filled with rage, it's inside me. And I'm feeling lost, can you find me? I need a better path, you can do the math. I done seen the worst and wanna put it past. Look for better days and no looking back. Trying to change my ways and I would never tap. I would fight till my death and ain't no quitting. This is God's work and ain't no bullshitting. I'm a victim of this life and what was written. So when I do go, it's good riddance. Slow down, homie, you're moving too fast. Slow down, homie, you're about to crash. Slow down, homie, you're doing too much. Slow down, homie, enough's enough. Slow down, homie, you're moving too fast. Slow down, homie, you're about to crash. Slow down, homie, you're doing too much. Slow down, homie, enough's enough.